My name is Dr. Maneerat Ekkapongpisit. So my research on research, basically I do translational research and implementation research in order to improve research output into practice. There are quite a number of research projects we've been involved with. Some of the research that is a showcase of our research is trying to help out the research project on diagnostic tool. We're trying to understand what is the pathway for this translational research project to translate into real world diagnostic in the field, in a primary care hospital, secondary hospital, to use in from bed to bedside point of care, those kind of environments. And what we do is we help to validate, do some clinical validation, help with the FDA approval. We try to understand what is the mechanism that a researcher needs in order for that research to be translated. And at the end, we work with government's reimbursement program in Thailand and help that research piece come to be one in the list of Thailand reimbursement program. The big questions in my translational research work, it would be how we transform the research management system in which it could support better the researcher in order to translate their research output into a real world practice. And that's a lot of things around that, which include evaluations, impact frameworks, and how the funder should act in order to prioritize where research should be put into an account, that how the funders will be invest. In translational research, basically what we want is that we want to accelerate research to become something that's useful for the patient, to help the treatment faster, to improve the journey of patients, and to make sure that everyone got the same type of diagnostic and care from the healthcare system that we provide to the patient. Translational research is very important in order to get the improvement in patient care with the very uncertain of the world's health system right now in public health, in global health. It's very important that we can develop a tool very quickly to respond into that. We back to the pandemic era. You can see many countries' health systems have been corrupt during the pandemic. So it's very important that if we know how research could be then managed in the proper manners in order to make sure that every research output can then effectively help public health worker, healthcare professional, improve patients' outcome. That is where the funder should look into this type of research more and more, because I think we could not live with the same research management system. There are times that we have to change accordingly.